Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this easy crochet bean stitch. It's so beautiful. I like it very much. It's reversible. You can use both sides. It's perfect, fits to blankets, throws, beanies, cardigans. You can use it every project. It's alternative of different stitches, and I think you like this crocheting. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments and don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our bean stitch. We start our bean stitch with chains. Our chains multiples of 2, so you make your chains even number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. I think it's enough for me. Now I want to make you closer. Turn my chains and you see here the back loops. This is first, I skip that. Insert into the second one and make a single crochet. Insert into the next one and make a single. Insert into the next and make a single. I will make a single crochet in every each stitch. I make my single crochets after turn to you. I have 16 single crochet, chain 1 and turn my work. Now we start to make our beans. Not count that chain 1 and insert into the first stitch and make a single crochet. Then skip next stitch, insert into the next one. Skip one stitch, insert into the next one, grab the yarn, 1, yarn over, insert into the same, grab the yarn, last time one more taking yarn, and I have 2 4 6 loops on my hook. Pull through all together and chain 1. Skip one, insert into the next one, grab the yarn, yarn over, same stitch I insert and grab the yarn over and insert into the same stitch. I have 6 loops. Pull through all together and chain 1. Skip one, insert into the next one, grab the yarn over, one more time, yarn over, one more time. We do that 3 times and we have 6 loops. Pull through all together and chain 1. We making our beans. I finish that row. At the end of, I will turn to you. I make the last bean and I have 1 stitch and make a single crochet here, then chain 1 and turn my work. We do the same thing all the rows. Not count that chain 1 and insert into the same stitch and make a single crochet. Then we skip 1 stitch and insert into the next one, and you see here we have a space. I insert my hook that second stitch and that space, grab the yarn over, insert into the same, take a yarn over, insert into the same and grab the yarn. I have 6 loops. Pull through all together and chain 1. Skip 1, insert into the next one here, grab the yarn over, grab the yarn over, insert into the same and grab the yarn and pull through all together and chain 1. Skip 1, insert into the next one is the space, grab the yarn over, grab the yarn over and grab the yarn, I have 6 loops. You see, that's the reversible pattern, but we make a little puff, so it's a little heavy, a thick pattern, and I think it's so nice with beanies and blankets. Skip one, insert into the next one, grab the yarn over, grab the yarn over, grab the yarn, all the same stitch, pull through all together and chain one. 1, 2, 3, chain one. 1, 2, 3, chain one. Skip one, insert into the next one. 1, 2, 3, pull through all together, chain one, and the last stitch I make a single crochet. One more time I will show you. Chain one and turn, insert into the first stitch and make a single crochet. We not count that chain one. Then skip one, insert into the second is here is a hole. I insert that, grab the yarn over, insert into the same, grab the yarn, insert into the same, and pull through all together, chain one. Skip one, insert into the next, 1, 2, and 3, and chain one. That's the pattern. I will getting it bigger after turn 2. I changed the color, you know that, and that's the pattern. It's so easy. This bean stitch is so beautiful. I think it's alternative. You can use every project in that stitch. You can make blankets, you can make beanies, you can make cardigans, which you want, you can use that. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Pinterest as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.